So this is the barrel for my rim. So a crackhead decided to hit my fucking front right, and luckily she only managed to nick my guards, and she busted my front 10.5. So obviously that's 9.5, and you can see the difference with the dash. So I've already ordered another wheel, and just ordered all I did was bend a tie rod, which we've already fixed, and also bent the caster arm. So you can see fucking there's a lot more back here. So I've already ordered some GK Tech LCAs and caster arms which they've combined, which will also help with lock and bind. So I'm gonna have to install those, and they've arrived just today. So that will be doing. I love when a crackhead hits your car a month before Matsuri, so you have to do a lot of work to get this thing prepared, but we're gonna make it to Spring Matsuri. Look how long he is. Let's beep. Alright, let's get this bad boy unboxed. Alright, so we got the GK Tech box, we got a bunch of stickers. I've put them everywhere. Got instructions, I think. Right, let's get this bad boy open. Oh, I like foam. Pretty sure this is the lower control arm bit here, and obviously this is the caster arm, and they're usually two separate pieces, but they've connected to help with drifty boy things. I'm not exactly sure what it says on their website. Apparently helps with bind and helps with extra lock as well. Yes. Kitty! So before we can do anything, I have to wait for Quin to move his Miata out of the way of the driveway, so we'll be back.
What is green or yellow when it's a stripe?
Ooh,
That'd be Powerade. Because there's green
coming from the head deck or the car?
in the car. There's
You'd have
green,
to-
red, and black and red.
You'd have to pull up a fucking wiring diagram.
I don't think it fucking matters either way.
No.
Put on the speakers backwards, fucking cunt.
Well, Quinlan's installing a new radio for the MX-5. Actually, I don't think I've fucking recorded this car before. Quinlan bought MX-5. He has a big lock. Already started on the Z. Oh, he just installed a hydro too. I haven't done that yet. Good upside down view. So this is the side that got hit. Have a look at that. So that's the caster arm on the right side. Caster arm on this side. Bit of a difference. They're still supposed to have that bend, but that one's a lot more bent. Yes, much more bent. So let's start taking it apart and prepping those arms to go on. Might as well give you a bit of info on Quin's car. Let me just get under here real quick. You can see he's got the destroy or die lock kit on here. Good old Max Peating rods. Some Workmaster reps. Bucket seat. Steering wheel. Short shifter. How short is it though? You got fucking... Ooh.
It's a 200mm fucking gear knob and it's still that short.
Very good. Oh, best mod. Doorknob fucking don't work. So to close the door, got fucking seat buckle and... Oh fuck. I'll get it on. I'll fucking... Look at that. Fucking... She's shut now. Woo. Yeah, I don't think I fucking really recorded this car before. We fucking got the old blast pipes. She's a bit fucking loud. It's just fucking straight pipe. Max Peating rods in the back. Very good. Well, Lucky I bought the whole kit because it turns out my LCA got bent as well. It's a bit hard to see, but this part here is fucking warped a bit that way. And can't really compare it to that one on camera, but that one looks pretty straight. So I thought this one might just be on a slant, but it's definitely bent.
So, quick update on the Miata. When I installed my hydro, it took up all the room for the head deck. You see it there? Yeah, it took up all the room for the head deck, so I needed to sort that out, really. Oh, that's better. So, I just did a quick install in the glove box. Look at that. Nice and neat. Lovely.
Alright, so got kind of carried away and like did most of it. So see, we got the control arms in now, and we got new tyres in the 18s. They're much thicker. Boy. Before it sucks because I already have the wheels on and I can't be bothered taking it off, but when I had the wheels off and I went full lock, the brake caliper was almost about what's it called? Is that 90 degrees? The brake caliper was like facing that way. Alright, got the front tail bit sorted. Won't be perfect because I still have to get alignment, but need drug this still. And just raising this, and we're fucking nearly maxed out fucking, you know, max peating rods. Fucking, guess they didn't plan on my car needing to be a sensible height, they just wanted to slam the bitch. But, alright. Nearly done. Alright. Toes looking a lot less drastic. Looks like there's still a bit of toe out either side, but that'll be fine. Get alignment tomorrow. Oh, short bus. I forgot that I was like recording my updates on the fucking 350, so here we are with Dimitri, he's rolling his guards. No. This is his skyline. Let's have a quick look. Very good. So this is R31 silhouette, freshly painted and smacking his shit so he's bucky.
Careful, I got gloves on.
Ow! He's rolling his guards when you fit these, what are these, 30 mil? Yeah. 30 mil spacers and genuine rays over there. Fucking genuine, look at that. Well, here we are. One is done and looking pretty quick. Alright, now you just gotta do the other 4. Let's go. How she look to you?
Not bad.
It does look much better with the rays on there. Very nice. But, I mean, there's a gap, and we push down the car and it doesn't touch, so... I wonder if any American people watch this and think, what the fuck is this thing? It's a shard bus. Do you sell shard? Oh, wonderful. Look, it's Rick.
Lovely.
Alright, what are you doing, Quinlan?
Not turning your car back.
Can you actually give it the last few revs? I'll take all the exhaust off. Yeah. Hey. Turn that cunt off. Oh my god. That was a bit loud. Put her on the jack stands now, cunt. There's also an RB2 like across the park over there, so wonderful. What I got Quinn to do that is we're changing the exhaust so it isn't as loud. Okay. So we got fucking, I don't know if you can see shit, but we got Mr. Single lined up, just tacked on to the cannon. Quinn's about to weld up the exhaust. Tell you what, the fucking eBay spec fucking cannon doesn't sound too bad. Ah, wonderful. Quinn got it all welded up. Shiny bits. Wow. Alright, we'll be back once it's on. Alright, we got the fucking exhaust on. Coolant welded on the hanger, probably can't see it, but it's on there. It's fucking pretty steady. Alright. Cold start. Alright. Oh my god. Wow. Excellent. My phone's connected to the Bluetooth.
It's gonna crackle on the fucking.
Alright, well, job done.